Okay, welcome back. We are now to the immune system. Ooh, I'm guessing you guys are having a hard time seeing this PowerPoint, so let's whip through this here real quick. We'll change the slide theme. There, that looks a little bit better. Okay. The immune system. The immune system destroys the germs in the body. It is our body's defense system. When we talk about germs, what we're talking about are any viruses or bacterias, things like that. So now let's follow a germ as it enters the body. Our first line of defense really is our skin. That protects us from many of the harmful germs, viruses, and everything that's around us. But when a germ does enter the body, the first responder is a white blood cell called the macrophage. And it will go and pretty much eat or try to eat the germ that is there. We can relate it to kind of a monster soldier. We'll kind of relate these parts of the immune system to our actual nation's defense system, which is our military. So it could be like a monster soldier or alien soldier or robot soldier, something like that. Now, the macrophage then takes the germ that it has engulfed or eaten, and it takes it to a lymph node. A lymph node is kind of like the military barrack where other white blood cells are hanging out at, so to speak. If a lymph node is not nearby, the macrophage may take it to the spleen. The spleen could be considered kind of the command station or the main jail to take all these germs to. Now, either at the lymph node or the spleen, the T cells, which are like the human soldiers, and the B cells, who are kind of like the weapon makers, are notified of the germ, which is the virus or the bacteria that is in the body. Then what happens is the T and the B cells go out and they find that germ. When they find it, they attack them. Now, the only white blood cell that actually attacks these germs is the T cell. We said the T cell is like our regular human soldier. Whereas the B cells are just the weapon makers. They're making the weapon, which is the antibody. The antibody is the actual weapon, kind of like a grenade launcher, I guess, or your regular standard issued M16, something like that. So the B cell makes the weapon, which is the antibody. The T cell is the actual one that shoots or uses the weapon, which is the antibody. And what happens, the T cell will shoot the antibody, therefore killing the germ. And that ends the immune system. Hopefully you find this helpful.